Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friend, my name is Moron Kesuma. My student number 19050022. I want to present meeting SIG field component text card. Fuel component. What is a fuel system? This system is a system that role to transfer fuel from the tank to the engine for combustion so that the engine can work well and can produce the desired performance. In this system also as supporting components to provide as and safety of this system to do its job. The combustion process in the machine is activated. Fuel component. Number one, fuel tank. This component has a function to all fuel. In the aircraft, there are three fuel tanks, namely two main tanks on the wings, the middle tank on the fuselage of the aircraft. Other additions such as auxiliary tanks, surge tanks, and drop tanks. Number two, transfer pump. This component serves as a transfer of fuel from one tank to another tank, especially from the main tank to the central tank. Number three, booster pump. This like the transfer pump, the booster pump also has a similar function, but the booster pump function to transfer fuel with a capacity of 22 psi from the tank to the fuel pump. Number 4, fuel pumps. This pump is what product pressurized fuel so that when it is in the combustion chamber in the form of making it easier to burn. Number 5, fuel shut-off valve. This valve serves as a disconnect and connecting the flow of fuel that will enter the system. Number 6, cross valve. Cross valve. This valve serves as a fuel transfer if in a condition the amount of quality in its tank is not balanced or in a tank a system failure in the fuel distribution so it can be supplied from other tanks through the cross valve. Number 7, fuel control unit FCU. Components that have a function to control the size of the fuel will enter the combustion from the size of the intake air. Number 8, fuel nozzle. In this section is the part that serves as the latch channel in the combustion chart of misting the fuel. A text card, Boeing 737-300, 400, and 500. Visually check the following left wing fuel tank components for condition and security of installation. Number one, internal fuel system plumbing and bonding jumpers. Number two, fuel quality tank and compensator units MM28 41 21. Number three, baffle check valves and pump drain valves millimeter 28 11 000. Number four, fuel box pump removal valves, fuel box pump intake strainer. Number five, bypass check valves and fan valves MM 28 2200. Number six, sur tank and drain check valves MM 28 1300. Fuel fan. Number seven, fuel fan float valves milli mm 28 1300. Fuel float switch conduit and bonding jumper. Number 8, hydraulic fluid head exchanger, including rear spar line fittings, brackets and bonding jumper MM 29 1500. Note: inspection of the above listed components should be uncompleted concurrently with the structural inspection of the lift wing interior when fuel tank is poured. While inside the tank, inspection for evidence of corrosion and microbial growth. Text card Boeing 777 300 400 and 500. Visually check the following right wing fuel tank components for condition and security of installation. Note: inspection of the above listed components should be accomplished concurrently with the sectoral inspection of the right wing interior when fuel tank is poured. While inside the tank, inspection for evidence of corrosion and microbial growth. Text card Boeing 737 300 400 and 500. Visual check the following center wing tank fuel system components for condition and security of installation. Number one, tank sump drain valve and bonding jumper MM 28 13 11 14. Number two, tank fan connecting tubes and plumbing. Number three, fuel fan float valve. Number four, fuel quality tank and compressor units. Note: inspection of the above list components should be accomplished concurrently with the sectoral inspection of the wing center section interior when fuel tank is poured. While inside the tank, inspection for evidence of corrosion and microbial growth. Okay, thank you, my friend. See you